I can hire to export my products for me. And then the other one is, what are the best resources for new international business when you don't have an office or a reseller in the area? The customer always wants to have delivery as DDP, for example.
Okay. Well, let's take the first one first. How do I find a company I can hire to export my products for me? One little known fact is that companies that don't make products exported comprise the majority of exporting companies. So there's a lot of companies out there that are manufacturing products but are not being the exporter. So at the end of the day, really, if you want to be an indirect exporter, you can find, export management or trade companies that you can work through to export your product. A lot of times they do that on a commission basis. Or you can find U.S. wholesalers that'll find us, buyers for your product abroad. And then third, you can use the large online marketplaces like Amazon and eBay and such. A lot of cases they'll take care of all of the export formalities and then just charge you a nominal fee to do so. With those indirect methods of exporting, the one thing you do lose out on though typically is you're not kind of capitalizing on other markets that your product may be able to be sold in. So that's one thing to bear in mind.
And just to add to that, a lot of countries have their own online like reseller platforms. So much like an Amazon, but it may be called something else in that country. So you definitely would want to talk to like export.gov, or even if you know somebody in that country to figure out where it is that goods can be found.
I think at the Census Bureau, they do have a very good platform online where you can look. You can literally type your commodity and they'll bring up the countries that usually are buying the type of commodity. It's a very user-friendly platform and it's free. So you can definitely contact them, go to their website, and it will be able to do so.
The other thing is if you're looking for like a reseller or distributor in another country, trade shows, that's a big thing that a lot of our clients go to find those.